Oh, God.
Oh, here's you wrestling this guy. You have a guy in a headlock.
That was Spartan Games.
Oh. Oh, so why do they have that in the Spartan Games?
So Spartans become this kind of like like conglomerate of like just everything. It's no longer one identity. It's like 10 identities. It's like a seven-headed dragon. Each one of them has their own ambitions in life. I don't think it's great for the company, to be honest. But one of Joe's big ambitions is creating an Olympic training center under Spartan race for wrestlers in the United States. So just out of nowhere, like we just always have to wrestle when we go to his Spartan Games.
There must be some people who are truly uncomfortable with that.
Oh, massively, like crying hysterically. And like the guy is just like bowing out and saying that they won't come in. It's tough. Like I have experience doing it, and there's guys who don't have experience doing it. And like us having zero experience is almost more risky than having a lot of experience. And it's in the middle of a 4 day competition with 10 events. The last thing that you want, like my friend Ryan Atkins, who's a very, very talented athlete, had to go up against a guy who was probably like 40, 50 more pounds than him. And he got flipped over and absolutely smashed, like wind knocked out of him kind of thing. But the reality is like, it's one of the events, like you either contend or you don't.
Can you win that event without contending in it? I mean, can you win that?
If
The totality of it?
If I share details about it, it would be part of that I can't talk about it category.
Can I watch it somewhere? Is it online yet?
Oh yeah, Spartan Games 1.0 is.
But so what can't, let's talk about what you can't talk about in a way that, so I understand why you can't talk about it. Like that didn't make sense.
Point structure, I'll just say this out loud. The point structure for that event was so absurd in its design, it kind of ruined the entire event.
Oh, you're not allowed to disparage, even if it's an honest opinion about an event once you compete.
No. I honestly can say that I thought the event was very poorly run, and I think the head orchestrator of it, his name is David Watson. He's kind of like the Dave Castro. He's just a fucking savage idiot. And
Whoa. Dave Castro is not a savage idiot.
No, I didn't say that about Dave Castro. I said David Watson.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't say that about Dave.
Okay.
I did at one point, and I appreciate Dave's hard work. Sometimes not his attitude, but David's competition is really properly run, and it's like very efficient, and it's very well designed. Spartan Games isn't. So I can talk about it in that way. I just can't talk about the details of the results.
Because it hasn't been released yet?
Spartan Games Season 2 has not been released yet. It comes out.
Oh, but the competition's done.
Done. We already competed.
Oh, okay. So it's like a reality show. We don't know who gets to go home with The Bachelor, even though everyone else already knows.
That's the issue with it. So they try to create a reality TV show experience and have a professional competition at the same time. And they were changing rules and point scoring in the middle of the event to have a better response for the actual viewership.